Yes, sir.
Right, right. So we'll see another 5 minutes. We'll continue our class. Okay. Right. Yes. In the last class, we have successfully discussed about what is Angular, why everybody using nowadays frameworks, and okay, right. So then after, what is the advantage of the REST APIs? Also, we have discussed it successfully. Okay, everybody. Right. So now today class we are going to discuss about the MVC structure. So today class we are going to discuss about the MVC structure. Okay, right. So what is this MVC structure and why we need to use this? What is this MVC structure? Why we need to use this? So MVC structure stands for Model View Controller. Okay, everyone. Model View Controller. So why we need to use this? Okay, why we need to use this is for performance optimization purpose. So in order to perform very well, in order to perform faster, we need to use this. Okay, MVC structure. So why? Because in order to develop an application, okay, we need to deal with the data. So dealing with the data and retrieving the, okay, then after displaying with the view page and everything, if you are doing in the same page, maybe it will take a little bit long time. So that's why what they will do is they will divide into three parts: displaying data and dealing with the data and coordinating with the data. Okay, everyone, I will explain you through Paint. Then after you will understand it very easily. So now see it everybody. So MVC structure. Okay, right. Now let's come here right there. So assume this is the model and assume this is the view page. And assume this is the controller. What is this everybody? Model. What is this everyone? View. What is this everyone? Controller. Clear or not? So can you guess what is the purpose of the model? Respond everybody. Can you guess what is the purpose of the model? What is the purpose of the model? Hello. Anybody having any idea? Harinder, Jagadish, Rajshekar, what is the purpose of the model? So here, are you getting my voice or not? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. Getting it.
Right, right. So the purpose of the model is dealing with the data. What is the data? Dealing with the data. Okay, so in the model, data will be available. In the model, data is available. Okay, right. So what is the purpose of the view? Displaying data. Whatever the data we have, we need to display in the view page. And not only that, whatever the data we are expecting from the user, we need to get also. So get data from user. So display data to the user and get data from user. So where is data is available? Actually, respond everybody. In order to display the data, okay, we need to have the data. So now respond everyone, where is the data actually? Where is the data actually?
In model.
In model. So though we have the data in model, can I send it directly to the view page? Though I have the data in the model, can I send the data directly to the view page? Okay, no, we are not able to send this model related data directly to the view page. We are not able to send. Then how can I do it? So very simple. First of all, we need to call this model into this controller. We need to call this view into this controller. And here we need to coordinate these two. Understand it, everybody? Here we need to coordinate these two. Model, okay, we are calling this model also into this controller. We are calling this view also into this controller. Okay, everybody? Right. Then after we need to coordinate here. How to coordinate? For example, we are calling this model related data here, right? So it will be, assume it is, m underscore data. M underscore data stands for model data. Okay, assume like that. So this data we cannot do anything. So that's why what is the thing I will do is I will declare a variable in the controller, that is c underscore data. So that model data I will assign to controller data. So what is the rule? Whatever the variable you have declared in the controller, whatever the variable you have declared in the controller, that particular variable we can bind in the view page. That particular variable we can bind in the view page. Okay, whatever the variable you have created in the controller, that particular variable we can bind in the view page. So I am calling this model related data here, but we cannot print in the view page. So that's why that model data I mentioned into a variable called controller data. That particular controller data I will print in the view page. So this how we are able to deal with the MVC structure. The advantage is, since we are operating the data related functionality, view related functionality independently, it will load faster in our application. Our application will load faster. Okay, everyone? Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Only one person is responding. Jagadish, Nitish is joined lately. Okay. Rajshekhar, Harinder.
Yes, I able to get.
Others respond, say yes or no. Don't be silent. Okay, everybody? Right. So if you observe last 5 to 10 minutes, we are speaking about data like this. Okay. So actually, where is data is available? Kindly respond, everyone. Where is data is available? Where the data will be available?
In model.
Okay, not here. Generally, data where it is available in the database. What is that, everybody? In the database, it is the data will be available. Okay, right. So general language, how we will store the data in the database? How we will store the data in the database? In the tabular format. What is it, everybody? Tabular format. So we'll have the data in the database. How we'll store the data? In the tabular format. For example, a table called users will be there. What I will do? User ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, gender, languages, subject to resume, like that I will keep there. Okay, everybody. So what is that? Users is the table name, and that user ID, first name, last name are the row field names. Okay, everybody. And they need to follow some schema also. So user ID, okay, auto increment primary key. Thereafter first name varchar 50, last name varchar 50. Okay, email varchar 150. Okay, phone number varchar 15. Like that, we need to assign the schema also. So whatever it may be, you should have a field. That field should have a schema. That is one thing. And according to that fields, we need to insert the data also. That can be called as columns also, or else rows also we can call. Each and every record we can call it as a row, or else we can call it as a record also. So this table is combination of these two. So whatever it may be, we are storing the data in the tabular format. What is the table? How we are storing the data generally? Respond kindly. How we are storing the data in generally?
Tabular format.
In the tabular format. Okay, right. So what is our technology? Client side technology. But what is this database? So can we connect with the database directly from this client side technology? No, we are not able to connect with the database, okay, directly. But without connecting the database, we are not able to deal with the data. Okay, without dealing with the data, there is no use of the application. For example, you have opened Myntra.com today. Okay, entire day, you have day and night, you have opened Myntra 100 times, but no single product also display. Okay, not only you, 100 people are trying like that. 100 people are trying it 100 times, but nobody see any product. Do you open that application second day? Respond, everybody. Do you open that second application second day? Do
No.
you open it? No. Okay. Out of 100, okay, out of 100, 90% people does not open second day. Only 10% people will open second day. Okay. Second day also have opened. Second day also you have opened. Okay. Second day also you have tried 200 times. Still you are not able to find any particular application. Sorry, any particular product. Any particular product. So do you open it the third day? Yes, Panay, do you open this third
No.
day? No. Out of 10 people only, 1% will open third day also. So third day also open 400 times. But at the time also they are not finding any single product. Do you open fourth day? No. So day by day we are losing the users. Why? Because in that application users are not finding any type of data. In that application users are not finding any type of data. Clear it, everybody? Users are not finding any type of data. So no data, no value for the application. For example, not only that, for example, you are coming to the class, you are sitting silently. I am also coming to the class. I am okay, I am also sitting silently. Do you pay the fee? Definitely not. Why? Because there is no data transaction between us. There is no data transaction between us. Okay, everybody, whenever there is a data transaction, then only there will be, okay, business will be started. Okay, everybody, right? Here also ours is client side technology, but we need to deal with the data. Without connect to the database we are not able to do, but as a client side technology, this technology is not able to connect with the database. Then how can I do it? Then how can I do it? So that's why in every company there will be server side developers also there. What is that, everybody? Server side developers also there. So what they will do, whatever the work they have related to that application, in a single application client side programmers also works, server side programmers also works. So client side programmers, they do, they what is the work they have. Client side server side programmers also do whatever the work they have. Not only that, for the client side programmers purpose, so who are the client side programmers? Generally we will think UI developers only, not only UI developers. Okay, the person who are able to work with Angular, React JS, Android, iOS, these persons also client side programmers only. Why? Because they are not able to connect with the database. Because they are not able to connect with the database. So the server side programmers, what they will do, whatever the work they have, they will complete. And for the client side programmers purpose, for the client side programmers purpose, what they will do is, okay, everybody, what they will do is, they will take some, say for example, http colon www.sample.com. Think everybody working on that application. So they will move that application related code to the server. Then after, what is this client side programmers will do is, they will take some extra file. For example, API, okay, .php, something like that. Okay, .java, whatever it may be. In that file, they will write so many functions. For example, get users. What is that, everybody? Get users. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So they will take API.php, they will move to the server. Every company contains local servers. Okay, directly they don't upload into the client's data servers. Okay, because if there is any problem, it will be very problematic. So that's why to show updates to the client, okay, each and every maintains their own server. There they will okay, there they will upload all the applications also. From there they will display to the users, clients. Okay, right, please remember that. Like that they will upload that entire code to this application called sample.com. Then after the server side programmer, maybe PHP also, Java also, Node.js also, whatever it may be, they will take an extra file. For example, api.php. Okay, there they will write this code. What is this? Get users. Get users, what is this? It is a function. In this particular page, they will write a function. What is that? Get users. So in that get users function, what they will do? Select star from users. Now respond, everybody. What is the advantage of the select star from users? What is the meaning of
We get
select star
all the
from users?
data.
Yes. So select star from users means I am retrieving all the data from the users table, not only all the data, from all the fields also. That means I will get all the fields, that field related data also. But how we will get? In the tabular format. So can I send the tabular format data to the client side purpose? Okay, client side technology persons? No. Client side programmers can I send? No, we cannot send that. Okay, tabular format data towards client side programmers. Then what is the thing I need to do? Then what is the thing I need to do? So whatever the data you are getting tabular format, the tabular format data we need to convert into JSON format. JSON means JavaScript object notation. Okay, notation means what? For example, music notations will be there. What is the meaning of music notation? A sequence to play an instrument. Okay, everybody, a sequence to play an instrument. That means how we should play and when it should be up, when it should be down, when it should be flat, when suddenly how it should be up, something like that. There will be some music notation. That means a flow. Okay, a flow to play the instrument, musical instrument. In the same way, here also notation means what? A flow of data. So which data? Objects data. That means whatever the data they are having in the tabular format, they are converting into object format. So after converting object format, how it will be? For example, since they are converting all the data, that means multiple data. Multiple data means array they will store. Then after how they will convert into an object. For example, curly braces, ID. Each and every key should have key. Each and every key, irrespective of the value. See, value is one, ID is the key. Key is having double quotation, but value does not having. Okay, right. Press the enter. Then after first name, Ramesh. Last name, Babu. Email, test@test.com. So to separate each and every object, we should separate with comma. Understanding that, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
To Giri. Kumar. Test@test.com. So what are you doing, everybody? Whatever the data we are having in the table format, we are converting into object format. After conversion of object format, it will be look like this. Okay, right. So what is this? In order to convert objects, so how to write the object as a pair of key and value? So to separate the key and value, we should use colon. So left side of the colon can be called as key. Right side of the colon can be called as value. So to separate each and every key, we should use comma. Not only that, to separate each and every object, we should use comma only. We should not use semicolon. What is it, everybody? We should not use semicolon. Understanding or not? Respond, everyone. We should not use semicolon. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, everybody, we should not use semicolon. Okay, right. Now observe here, what is this? A pair of objects. Where it is in this array. Now where is this array is in this URL. This particular URL can be called as REST API. What is that, everybody? REST API. So this particular REST API they will use in this model. This particular REST API they will use in this model. Understand, everybody? Right. From that they will retrieve. Then after they will call into this controller. Then after they will print in this view page. This is how they will coordinate with the data. Clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody? Right. This is how they will coordinate. Okay, directly they are not able to deal with the data, but indirectly they are able to deal with the data. Yesterday I told, right? We are able to deal with the data indirectly through REST APIs. Okay, we are able to deal with data indirectly through REST APIs. This is it. This is it. Okay, everybody, this is it. Understanding or not? Respond, please. Okay, right. So this will work with the data. Okay, right. So where we will use this in the Angular application. So by using Angular applications, what we can do? Web applications. Of course, we are going to, of course, we can develop mobile applications also, but primarily we will focus on the web applications. Mobile applications are not included, and the testing also not part of this course. Okay, please try to understand, everybody. Testing also not part of this course. So I don't know anything about testing. Okay, I'm not a testing tester, a quality analyzer in the company. So testing is not included in the course also. Okay, only development I will tell you. Right.
Unit test,
So hello.
unit testing.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Testing is not included. Okay.
The
Hello.
unit testing is developer part, no?
Yeah, that's what Rishi, but I don't know that testing part. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay. Hello. I did not
Okay.
work on that. Okay. Right. Try to. Yes. So now, what is this? Yeah, by using this Angular, what we can do? Web applications. Okay, everyone. Right. So what is the advantage of the web applications? Or else internet. Okay. Or else mobile applications also. So what we can do? We can develop by using Angular web applications. Okay. Right. For example, if nobody supports web applications, for example, each and every bank not supporting web applications, each and every, okay, each and every bank application is not supporting web applications, and e-commerce applications also not working. Okay, and other applications also not working. So definitely there is a loss to the world or not? Respond, everybody. Definitely it is a loss to the world or not? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Think once, everybody. So before 30 years there is no internet, but still we have survived. Last 25 to 30 years only we are working on the internet. So suddenly, if there is no internet support for each and everything, that is a loss to the world or not? So definitely it is a loss also. Why? Because nowadays everybody working depends upon the internet only. Depends upon the internet only. Okay, in the internet, what we can find? Web applications and mobile applications. So what is the advantage? For example, previous days, if you want to maintain a bank account, what happens? They will store all your data in their books. Okay. So for example, today you are depositing 1 lakh rupees. Okay. By mistake, they have in some books they have entered 1 lakh. Some books they have entered by mistake 10,000 only. Then what happens? Whenever you are spending the money, whenever you want to ask for a transaction report, it will be very messy. Okay, they need to refer so many books. They need to maintain so many books also. They need to refer also so many books, and then they can correct their mistake. Okay, so that's why most of the time, previously, okay, before internet evolution, most of the time people does not use that bank accounts also. And moreover, companies also, they don't maintain the banks. They don't maintain the accounts in the banks. Okay, and everybody given by hand cash only. Okay, everybody by hand cash only they have given. For example, you are a salary employee, then most of the time company also will give you, okay, manually cash. Okay, right? They don't deposit in our account also. But whenever the online transactions evolved, whenever most of the time people are using banks, when people are using started banks, whenever there is an online support only. Okay, then what happens? Each and everything you can track. For example, today you have deposited 1 lakh rupees. You have spent up to 2 weeks. Then after you are confusing. Okay, how much money you have, and where you have spent remaining money, something like that. Then what we can do? No need to go to the bank. No need to go to the bank. Simply, you can open your mobile application in your mobile, or else you can open your bank related web application in the computer. Okay, understand, everybody? Bank related application in the computer, and you can immediately can see your transaction report. Up to 2 years also you are able to see it. So each and every rupee wherever you have spent, for each and every rupee, each and every paisa, okay, that will be, you can see in the transaction report. So where you have spent 1 rupee, where you have spent 10,000, where you have spent 50,000, everything you are able to see. From each and every rupee, you are able to see. Okay, how this is happening? Because of the web applications or mobile applications. So you are developing as a web application developer, you are doing it. As a UI developer, as an Angular developer, you are doing it. Okay, right. Not only that, money transaction reports. For example, previously, if you want to deposit the money, you need to go to the bank manually. You need to wait hours and hours. Okay, deposit. Okay, everybody has to go. Not only that, if you want to transfer the money also, you need to go to the bank and you need to write the checks, or else you need to give some transfer like a deposit form in this particular account related details also you need to enter. Okay, in yourself also you can say you cannot deposit the money, or else for others also you need to deposit the money. So whatever it may be, you need to go to the bank and okay, by stopping all your work, and you need to wait in the queue line, and then you can deposit in your or else in other accounts also. Okay, you are a younger person. Okay, you are also healthy, so okay, you can stand in the queue line 1 hour, 2 hours also. Of course, that is time wasting, but still you need to do it. But what about the handicapped persons? They cannot sit properly, they cannot stand properly. How they can wait? That is one thing. And what about the old age persons? So, okay, if their organs are good also, okay, if their legs and hands are good also, but they are not sit properly, they cannot stand properly. Why? Because of their age. So everybody faced so many issues also. Okay, everybody. But right now, what is happening? Whenever you want to deposit the money, at the time only you are going. Okay. Then after onwards, what is happening? You are transferring money from online. For example, today I have deposited 1 lakh and I need to pay 10,000 for one person, 20,000 for one person, 5,000 for one person, like that. Then what happens? First of all, I will deposit in my account only. Then onwards, I will transfer money to the other persons, either through phone pay or else by adding their account also in my bank details, in my bank account. I can add other persons also. Immediately, I am able to transfer the money. Sorry, immediately means after 1 hour. Some applications after 2 hours. Some applications at least 24 hours. So the next day onwards, maximum, I am able to transfer the money. Okay, everybody, no need to go to the bank. So how many transactions also I can do by sitting in my home only. I no need to go to any banks and no need to waste my time also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. So how this is happening? Because of the web applications. Who are developing? As a younger developer, you are working. As a web UI developer, some other person also working. Server side person also working. So whatever it may be, as a software engineer, you are developing it. Okay, not only this bank's advantages. Previously, some books are not available in particular locations. Okay, for example, if you want to prepare for civils, that books are not available in your local town. Okay, the district capital city is not available. State capitals are not available. Only in the Delhi they are available. So if you want to prepare for civils, okay, we need to go to the Delhi manually. To go Delhi 3 days because I'm staying in Andhra Pradesh side. So to go Delhi by train 3 days. To come back from the Delhi 3 days, and at least I need to spend there 1 or 2 days. Okay, at least I need to see something in the Delhi, and I need to purchase the books also. So totally, at least I need to wait 10 days to purchase books only. Okay, so to purchase books only. If I am a poor person, I need to stop all my work and I need to go to the Delhi manually. I need to bring my books also back. Or else, if anybody is going, I need to request them to bring my books. Okay, of course, they may agree or else they not agree also. For example, if you are not able to prepare by yourself, after okay, then what happens? You need to stay in the Delhi. So for all the persons cannot bear that Delhi related okay money what is that surviving money. Okay, everybody, because there is cost of living is more. Okay, we cannot survive in the Delhi because there is cost of living is more. Okay, everybody, so that's why what happened, everybody postpone their dreams. But nowadays what happens, they can order the books through online. For example, if he is very poor, he is not having a smartphone also, he can go any internet point also, Miseva center, he can order the books from that, and whenever books arrived, okay, they can pay the money to them and immediately they can get that books also. So no need to wait 10 days. At least go to the any internet point, there we need to order, within 10 minutes it will be completed, or else maximum half an hour. Okay, everybody. Then after 1 week, they will get their books also. Then onwards, morning 6 to evening 5, they can work. 5 to 6, they can go to the home and they can take a bath. Then after 6 onwards to midnight 12, they can prepare also. And again, morning again, they can go to the work also. So without losing their job, they can prepare for civils also. How this is happening? Because of the web applications. For example, if they want any extra information, they can search in the Google, or else they can search in the ChatGPT also. They are getting some extra information. How this is happening? Because of the web applications. Okay, not only that books related things. For example, you want to purchase a soap that is not available in your local area. Okay, but you want to use that soap, you want to try that soap. So previous days you need to stop that dream, or else to purchase a 100 rupee soap, we need to go to any distance place like Hyderabad or Delhi or Mumbai, Pune, something like that. So to go Hyderabad 500, to come back from Hyderabad 500, and only soap is 100 or 200. So to purchase 200 rupees soap, we need to spend the extra 1000 rupees. Not only that, again and again we need to spend money for our staying also and for our food also. So everybody stopped purchasing that. But nowadays, everybody ordering through online. So that whoever selling online, they are getting more profits also. Understanding or not? Okay, everybody. Right. So how these are all things are happening? Because of the web applications, because of the web applications and the mobile applications. How they are running depends upon the internet. So that's why internet and web applications and mobile applications are very, very important nowadays. Who are developing that? As a software engineer, we are developing that. So farmers, soldiers, and software engineers nowadays are very, very important. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are not just dummy persons in the world. Okay. We are okay. As a web developer, also as a software engineer, okay, we will develop an applications. Whenever you are developing an applications, you will get salary. With the help of the salary, you are able to survive. So as a software engineer, you are getting money, you are surviving. But not only you are surviving, you are helping others also to simplify their works. You are saving people's time. You are saving people's time. Okay, right. So saving people's time is very, very important also. And every transaction is very, very transparent. Each and everything is very, very transparent also. So small, okay, personal interest to big dreams also they are achieving through online web applications. Okay, this is the importance of the software industry. As a web developer, you are doing that. Okay, right. This is the working culture of web application also. So by using Angular, what we can do? We can develop web applications. Sir, how we can develop web applications by using Angular? Very simple. If you want to develop web applications by using Angular, we need to divide our applications into, we need to divide our application into components. What is that, everybody? We need to divide our application into components. For example, how many pages you have, that many components. For example, I have 4 pages: home, about, services, and contact. What is that, everybody? Home, about, services, and contact. Then how many components I need to create? Respond everyone. How many components I need to create? If you want to develop your application by using Angular, we need to divide our application into components. Okay. So I have 4 pages requirement: home, about, services, and contact. How many components I need to create? Respond, don't be silent. Respond kindly. How many components I need to create? Are you getting my question or not? Only Ahmad is responding. What about others? I have 4 pages: home, about, service, and contact. How many components I need to create?
Maybe 4 components.
Okay. What is that, everybody? 4 components: home purpose, about purpose, contact purpose, services purpose. Okay. Right. In all 4 pages, header, menu, footer will be there or not? They are common or not? Respond everybody. In all the 4 pages, header, menu, footer will be there, right? They are
Yes.
common in all pages, or they are different? They are common also. Then how many components I need to create for header, menu, footer purpose? See, home header, about header, services header, contact header. So 4 headers I need to create. No, that is not correct. Only one header component is enough. Just to create a component with the name header. Just to create a component with the name header. That header component we can call in the a home, about services and contact also. That means once you created a component, we can reuse in the other application also. What is that, everybody? We can reuse in other components also. So component is nothing but reusable block of code. What is that, everybody? Component is nothing but reusable block of code. Block, B-L-O-C-K, block of code. So if you want, you can use it single time, or else if you want, you can use it in multiple times also. Okay, everybody, that is called a components. So okay, once you created a component with the name header, we can use it in all 4 components also. Same way menu and footer also. Okay, everybody, right? This is one thing. Okay, right. Sir, is any component comes automatically whenever we install Angular? Yes, one component will come automatically whenever you install Angular. What is that? YAP component. What is it, everybody? YAP component. Whenever you install Angular, okay. Once we install the Angular, I will show it. One component will come automatically. What is that? YAP. What it will contains? It will contains YAP component.html. COMP stands for component. Of course, we need to read completely. Then after YAP component dot CSS. Then after YAP component dot spec.ts. YAP component dot TS. General component contains only 4 files, but this is the default component, right? It contains 6 files. What is that? YAP module.ts. YAP hyphen routing module.ts. Okay, everybody. YAP component HTML, YAP component.cs is the view of the component. YAP component.spec.ts is the testing file. Of course, as I told, testing is not part of this course. Okay, everybody, right? This is the testing file. Forget about this. Then after YAP component.ts is there, this one, 4th file. YAP component.ts. YAP component.ts, this one. This particular file is the controller of the component. So component is nothing but combination of controller and view. Combination of controller and view. Okay. So general component contains these 4 files only. HTML and CSS. Then under spec.ts and ts. But since this is the default component, it contains two things also. What is that? YAP module.ts. YAP module.ts is the heart of the application. So what is the role of heart in our human body? What is the role of heart in our human body? Respond, everybody. What is the role of heart in our human body? It has to pump blood to each and every organ. It has to pump blood to each and every organ. That means each and every organ should have the connection with the heart directly or indirectly. In the same way, each and everything related to our Angular application, we should have to import. We should have to import into the YAP module.ts directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Okay, everybody, this is the working culture of YAP module.ts. Okay, this is the heart of the application. Each and everything related to our Angular application, we should call in the YAP module.ts. Then after YAP routing module.ts, what is this? Navigation functionality. Sir, what is this navigation functionality? Very simple. Whenever you are developing an application, from each and every page, we need to move to some other page also. From each and every page, we need to move to some other page also. From home, we need to move to about. About, we need to move to products. Products, we need to move to product details. Product details, we need to move to add to cart. Okay, everybody, we need to move from one page to another page. So moving from one page to another page can be called as navigation. What is that, everybody? Now moving from one page to another page can be called as navigation. Understanding or not? Moving from one page to another page can be called as navigation. Okay, everybody, that navigation related functionality will write in the YAP routing module.ts. So this is the files we'll get. This is about the default component also. Of course, if I tell like this theoretically, maybe some person can understand. Some persons cannot understand. Once we started the Angular, then you are able to understand. So I told you right tomorrow. Sorry, I will give you TypeScript videos. Not only TypeScript videos giving, I will tell tomorrow onwards TypeScript classes also. What is it, everybody? So tomorrow onwards, I will start the TypeScript classes. Then once the TypeScript class is completed, then I will start the Angular classes. Okay, understand everybody? At that time, I will explain this one more time also. Okay, everyone, please respond. Hello. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow, I will discuss with you TypeScript classes. Then after, I will start the Angular classes. And in the we will do two projects. One is CRUD operations. Another one is the mean stack e-commerce project. Okay, mean stack e-commerce project. Already, I have shown you in the first class also. I will give you that YouTube related video. Okay, you can watch in the video. You can watch in the YouTube also. Okay, everybody, what is the project we are going to do in the last? Can you please share demo videos because I missed those? Yeah, Shekhar, I don't have any demo class or demo videos separately. You can contact our online team. They will give you this. Okay, Hibernate 5, 25, 26, 27. They can give you that. Okay, or else wait 1 second. I will show you that how to find the demo videos and everything. Wait 1 second, everyone. So open the YouTube. What is that, everybody? Open the YouTube. Then after go to the DURGASOFT. Official channel. Then after directly go to the playlists. See it, everybody. ETL developer, Docker, so many. Yeah, Angular. See it, everyone. Demo videos too we have. Okay, right. So there you can find these videos. So this is the demo videos I have taken. One second. Here mentioned there are two types, two ways to import. You can mention those, please. Two imports. What is your meaning? Venkat, I am not understanding. You mentioned there are two ways to import. No, I do not understand your question, Venkat.
Yeah, you have mentioned there are two ways to import the components in the module file, right?
I did not.
So
No. We need to import directly or indirectly into this app module.ts. Okay.
yeah, what are those directly and indirectly? Like, can you brief those things?
Whenever
The two.
Angular start at that time, whenever I show you practical. Okay, Venkat. Then you
Sure.
understand.
Got you. Yeah.
So you got that playlist, right? Respond, everyone. Only Nagasai you
Yes,
will
sir.
get. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Only Nagasai you get. Yeah. Now I have sent to everybody. See it, everyone. Okay, everybody. Right. Yeah, I will try to explain right now. Try to understand it. But if you are confusing, so leave it. Okay, Saji. So whenever project Angular started at the time, I will tell. For example, there is a component called J. There is a component called B. If you call A component in the app module.ts, B component in the app module.ts, that is called as directly importing. Okay. For example, if you are calling B component in the A, directly you are not calling the app module. If you are calling B component in the A and you are calling A component in the app module.ts, that is called indirectly calling the B component also. Why? Because you are keeping this B component in the A and A component in the app module.ts. Understand that? So if you
Yeah,
call that, okay, right, that's
yeah.
it.
If we import both all the components in the model file, then
Module.
it will be
Direct.
module file. It will be called as direct.
Yeah.
If we have imported like
Ye-
HTML file in the TS file and we are importing the TS into the
No,
model
not
file.
not HTML file, not that. A component, B component. Each and every component contains
Oh,
HTML
both are
attribute.
two different components.
Yeah, both are two different components. Okay, if you are calling B into A and then A into F matrices, you are calling indirectly. Not only A, you are calling indirectly. You are calling B also. Okay, right.
Yeah, got it.
Yes. So that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we will meet. We will continue. Okay. So in the demo videos, I have shown you project. What is the thing we are going to do also. Okay, everybody. Right. Try to do understand that. So demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. First observe the demo 1. Okay. Observe these headings. Demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. So thank you very much, everyone. Sir, one last doubt. When is the last demo? See, Shekhar, whenever you joined from that, you need to assume 3-day class or demo classes. For example, today you are coming, right? Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, first 3 classes you can assume as demo classes. Demo classes also I am teaching the directly subject only. Each and every from day 1 onwards, I will teach everything related to subject only. Okay, everybody, just to understand the things, we are naming it as demo classes. That's it. Okay, right. Thank you very much, everybody. Yes.